friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a circle from Save the Shapes, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by drawing the circle. So right in the middle here, we're going to curve this line around. We're going to curve this down, arching this all the way back into the center. Let's start back on the right hand side now, replicating that. So again, just curving this around, pulling this down and in, blending that together on the bottom. Let's move up. Let's split our face in half. We're going to start with a circle on the left hand side for the left eye. And then we'll move across, lining this up at the same height and just replicating that on the right. Let's move over towards the inside corner. We're going to draw in another circle for that pupil. And now on the top inside corner, let's draw in another circle for that highlight. Let's move down, drawing in a second circle, making this one smaller on a diagonal for the second highlight. And now let's just color in our pupil black. Let's move up. For the eyebrow, we're going to curve this line around and through on the top, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now up above, we're going to curve this line down and then in towards that inside edge. Now in the middle for the mouth, we're going to draw a frown line. So we're just going to arch that up in the center, pulling that back down on the right. Let's move down. We're going to curve another line coming through and across. Let's round at the edge. So starting back on this line, rounding that out, pulling that around and through to the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well, pulling this around and in, blending that together. Let's draw on our arms. So we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line coming down towards the bottom on both sides. And then we'll step up, replicating that, just curving this around and down. Let's close this off on the wrist. So we're just going to draw in an arch line, extending that out slightly on either side. Coming behind for the wrist now, we're just going to arch this around, pulling that over and then back through on the side. Let's come down for the thumb. So we're going to come down, adding in a corner bracket. And now we can attach the thumb. So starting on the inside, we're going to curve this around and back in towards the top. Now from here for the first finger, we're going to curve this line out, around, tucking that back in. In the center, let's step up, curving that back across and through towards the top. Let's replicate this as we move out. So stepping up, curving this over and in towards that wrist. Let's move in our circle now. So leaving a gap on either side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out for the leg. And then we'll step across, lining that up at the same height, just pulling that through to the top. We're going to close this off with a curved line like we did on our arm. Let's come in behind. Again, arching this over, through, tucking that in on the side. Let's move in. For the shoe, we're just going to curve this down on the back, ending that at the same height. And then we'll curve this line across. Now from here, from that edge, we're going to arch this over, tucking that down. And now let's close off the sole of the shoe by curving this across, tucking that back in. And that is it. That's how you draw a circle from Save the Shapes. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.